Good Friday morning! We're going to do a double feature. And it's really a shame because this was really intriguing and I knew when I ordered it there were issues just by looking at it. This is Brevatto, not Brevetto. You type in Brevatto in Google, it wants you to search for Brevetto. This is a Brevatto all glass pour over. 1 cup. And you know, they clearly put a lot of effort into the packaging. This is magnetized. They put magnets. They went through effort to put magnets in it. All right, let's open it. So I came across this on eBay. It's a glass funnel with a handle. That intrigued me. And a glass base. There's no handle on this. How are you supposed to pick it up? This cost me about $19. $10.50 plus $9 shipping. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's borosilicate glass. The hole is nice and big. You get a nice flow out of that, right? And you got, it says Brevatto in blue. It's rather thin, but it's gorgeous. It's very attractive. Where's the handle? When you're done brewing, you're supposed to pick up the hot glass? I don't get it. The directions say, wet the filter, put in the coffee. They recommend 12 grams. We do the bloom, and then you proceed to pour your coffee. Hang on a second. Do you remember this baby? I did a video on it. It's a Depression-era glass Dripolator. It came like this. Nothing in there. I didn't know what goes in there. I've been trying to figure out what to do, and I just missed out an auction. It sold for $16.50. I bid $16. Not that I needed this, but it came with a cloth filter. There's a lip here. And I think the cloth filter had an elastic. I'll show you the eBay picture. Show the eBay picture. So I missed out. It was $16.50. But it told me how the original went. We'll come back to this after the Brevatto. Let's get to the Brevatto. It's got some really nice copy about the pour over. And it says Brevatto.com. And there is no Brevatto.com. And I tried to search a history in Wayback Machine to find old websites that were Brevatto.com. Maybe this broke them. I have wet the filter per instructions. Too hot to pick up. We're gonna have to use middies. Let's use middies. It's a mighty fine cup of coffee. I think it's very pretty. Just don't know how to pick it up when there's coffee in there. Where's the handle? Let's talk about the Depression-era glass Dripolator exciting news. Say that 3 times fast. So what's the exciting news? What the hell? Fruit flies. Fruit flies. So we established that there used to be a cloth filter for this, perhaps with an elastic band that went around this lip. It's possible that it was a tie. It looks like it might be elastic. I thought if I got some cloth siphon coffee filters, maybe it would fit around, but it doesn't fit. So I thought maybe I can pull the string out and maybe it would fit again. But the diameter is just too small. I picked up a pack of these little O-rings, and the O-ring slips around. It fits right around the lip. Where are you? If I can get some larger cloth pieces, I might be able to wrap it around and use the black O-ring. In the meantime, I took some cheap white coffee filters and cut them large enough to go around. Maybe a little too large. Why don't we make some coffee? I got ants? Seriously? And this will be the closest we've come to recreating the original filter. Boop. Hey, it's a drum. That's the closest we can come right now to its original intent. Let's make some coffee, man. Coffee's in. That's it. Take you. Do the pour, man. Hey! Oh, how cool is that? I think that's pretty cool, man. Okay. Oh, I got it. Pull it loose. And... not bad. Thanks for joining me this Coffee Friday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.